to Masters at Wagtail. I'm about to show you a very good tip for those who hate doing French pains. I think a good majority of us in the industry don't really like doing French pains. You know why? Because they're so mundane and they're tedious. And you cannot do any intricate maneuvers. It's pretty much straight, cut and dry. You just side pull. So I'm going to show you. Normally, let me just put some soap on the subject. Normally, we cut in and wipe the blade. And sometimes, after you make your top pull, if you don't tap the glass, you'll leave a line. All right, let me show you how to get rid of that without using any kind of rags or detailing at all. But you got to be pretty decent at feathering. All right, what I do is I normally cut in like this. Take the top on all three. All right, now when I make my way back, I tilt the angle and I tap. You see that? Now, can anyone guess why I do that? Never mind, because y'all not going to be able to answer me anyway. The reason why you do that is to get water off that top leading edge so you don't get that line. Sometimes tapping it once isn't enough, but when you tap it, there's always 3 rows, normally with French pains. So if you do this concept and then feather and make your cross pull, you will never ever leave that line. But you can also just, do it the other way and just wipe the blade. But we're talking about saving time here. This is what you want to focus on. All right? Pay attention. Oh, my mop is getting in the way. All right. Let me put some more water on here so I can show y'all. Just showed y'all is one of the techniques you could use to get flawless work when doing French pains, colonial style windows. Now I've made an 8 type way to clean, 8 ways to clean a French pane. I made a video about the different techniques and the different ways to getting a French pane cleaned flawlessly. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.